صراحة يعني المستشفى من أرقى المستشفيات أنا شفتها. من بعد ما شفت دكتور رياض شفت دكاترة ثاني، والدكتور الثاني قال إذا بنسوي عملية لازم نفتح لك الكتف ونحط لك مسامير، لأنه خلاص يعني الغضروف والأربطة كانت رايحة. والدكتور رياض قال لا نقدر نسوي لك العملية بالمنظار. الحين I'm back to normal. أنا اسمي سلطان خليفة، عمري 25 سنة، من دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. أنا بطل الإمارات في سباق السيارات من 2021 ل 2022. زرت المستشفى في 2020 يوم كان عندي إصابة في كتفي اليسار، كان عندي تمزق في الغضروف من الألعاب الحكومية. أنجزت وايد بطولات خلال الريكفري بيريد اللي أنا كنت فيها. Two doctors told me that it would take me at least like 1.5 years to 2 years to get back to normal. But thanks to Dr. Riad and the operation that I did, it took me 6 months and I was back to normal.
Shoulder dislocation is a very common injury. Usually it happens in athletic people. The younger the patient is, the worse is the prognosis of the dislocation, and the higher is the risk of recurrence of the dislocation. Usually the diagnosis is by X-ray, MRI, and sometimes we need to do CT with contrast to be able to have a diagnosis. The treatment nowadays is not surgical anymore. We don't open wounds. It's arthroscopic treatment of the injury. Usually we fix the structures that has been injured. Most commonly it's the labrum, and this is what we call the Bankart Repair. In patients who had previous dislocation and have bone loss on the posterior lateral aspect of the humerus, these patients might need also remplissage. Following the surgery, an arm sling is applied for 4 weeks and then gradual physical therapy. The results of this surgery is very good. It can change the life and the expectations of the patient. And it's a minimally invasive surgery where there is no scar, which is very important for the recovery, and it decreases the risk of infection. And as an aesthetic appearance, it's important for young people.
In the recovery period, when I started my sim racing career, I reached to the World Final Championship in France. I finished 27th in the world, and I won the 2022 UAE Champion in sim racing. يوم شفت دكتور رياض سواها في كل بساطة في كل سهولة, I was really impressed. وإن شاء الله 2023 I'll be the UAE Champion thanks to Dr. Riad, و soon to be the World Champion إن شاء الله. المستشفى توب كلاس نفس ما يقولون.